In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Jira account and guide you through the sign up and login process with ease. If you're new to Jira, this is your first step to unlocking the powerful project management tools it offers. Let's get started by heading over to your internet browser. Once you've opened it, type in jira.com in the address bar and hit enter. You'll be directed to the Jira homepage. Here, you have two main options for signing up: using your work email or continuing with a Google account. Both options are straightforward and secure, so choose the one that works best for you. If you opt to use your work email, you'll simply need to follow the prompts to create your account by entering your details and verifying your email address. Alternatively, if you decide to proceed with a Google account, all you need to do is select that option, and you'll be asked to log into your Google account to grant the necessary permissions. It's a quick and seamless process that links your accounts together. Once you've signed up and logged in, you will find yourself on the Jira dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can start exploring all the features Jira has to offer. It's a powerful tool for creating and managing projects, collaborating with your team, and tracking progress efficiently. You're now ready to dive into project management with Jira. That's all there is to it, and you're all set up. From here, feel free to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with how Jira can help streamline your project management processes. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on getting the most out of Jira. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.